How can I get an attached ML file from email message content using Python? I am using Python 3.7 and the email IMAP library to read email and extract the content of email and attachments. All the attachment, like Excel, CSV, PDF, is downloading as attachment, but when I received any ML file in email, it shows me error. Please find the below code to read email content and attachment with error showing in case of ML file is received as attachment. It is showing error at the time of writing ML file. At the time of write part.get_payload decode equals true is coming blank in ML file case. Error is just to explain why this is happening, it hit me too, quoting the v3.5 library doc. v2 says the same. If the message is a multi-part and the decode flag is true, then none is returned. If your attachment is an ML, it's almost always going to be multi-part, thus the none. Jin Thakur's workaround is appropriate if you're only expecting ML multi-part attachments, not sure if there is any other use cases. It should have been accepted as an answer.
Use ml_parser, this URL, import datetime, import JSON, import ml_parser.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.